6 and 30, least common multiple. Okay, what am I talking about? What are multiples? Yes, tell me.
The answers to problems. I don't know how to explain.
The numbers that go into it.
Those are factors.
The answers.
The answers?
To like a certain number, like
Both
the multiple of
numbers.
6 would be 6, 12.
Yes, the multiples of 6 is you just count by 2s, or the multiples of whatever. So, the multiples of 2 would be 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, and so forth. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, the multiples of 3 would be 3s. Whoops. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so forth. Okay? Which of these numbers share the same number? 2 and 3, of 2 and 3 multiples. Tell me, scream them out.
6 and 12.
6, 12. Which one is my least?
6.
Yes. So if I ask you for the least common multiple, that's kind of the thing you'll see, you would say 6. Least common multiple. All right. So, right now on your paper, find the least common multiple of 2 and 4. Should get it very quickly.
2.
2 and 4.
Oh. 4.
4. Very good. You should have went 2, 4, 6, 8, and then you should have went 4, 8, 12, da da da. And you should have realized real quick that you said 4 twice. Got it? I'm going to move on so we can hurry.
You already got it.
Okay? Now, does anybody know what this is? I think that's an I. What is a reciprocal? Okay? The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. It's just switched. The reciprocal of 6/8 is 8/6. What's the reciprocal of 1/4?
4/1.
4/1. What's the reciprocal of 5?
5.
5 over 1?
5/1. No, 1/5. No.
What is 5?
5/1.
5 really as a fraction
Negative
is 5/1.
1 over
So if I told you to find the reciprocal,
I said 1/5.
you're exactly right. 1/5.
Good job.
Very good. What's the reciprocal of 7?
1/7.
It's very good. Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
7 is really 7/1. So then when we find the reciprocal, it's 1/7. Very good. Okay. Did you know that when you multiply reciprocals together, you always get 1? For example, 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 out of 6 is 1. Okay, what if I did 6/8 times 8/6? I would get 48 over 48, which equals 1. So, if I told you 5/6 times what equals 1?
6/5.
6/5. You would just make its reciprocal. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now, sometimes they're going to ask a confusing question that looks like this. How many 2/3 are in 1?
1. No. 2. No.
Okay. Whenever something doesn't make sense in math, hear me, I need everybody to hear what I'm saying right now.
Okay.
Whenever things don't make sense in math, put in fake numbers that do to figure out what you would do, that are not fractions. So, how many 5s are in 45?
9.
How did you do that problem?
I know 9.
What did he do?
He divided.
What did he divide?
45 by 5.
45 divided by 5. So, since we did this divided by this, we're going to do this divided by this. Got it?
1 over 1 divided by 2.
Yes. Have I taught you what to do with dividing fractions yet?
No.
Oh dear. Okay.
Last year.
Yeah.
I did last year?
Yeah, but I don't remember.
Okay. You cannot divide fractions. This whole row is not paying a bit of attention to me. And I am talking and my voice is not strong. It doesn't matter. Okay? 1 divided by 2/3. Look right here. What do I do with division? Can I divide fractions?
Nope.
I can only multiply fractions. Right? So if I change this, what happens to this number?
It switches around.
It changes to its reciprocal. Remember that? Everybody remember? So 2/3 becomes 3/2. So when I multiply that, 1/1, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 2 is 2. My final answer is 1 1/2 once I make it into a mixed number.
That's confusing.
Because it was improper.
Wait, what? Why?
Did I totally go too fast?
Yeah.
Woo! Let's slow it down. Okay, so we did 1 divided by 2/3. 1 divided by 2/3. And I said I cannot divide a fraction. So I multiply it. But if I change that, then I have to change the fraction to the right to its reciprocal, which 2/3 becomes 3/2. Okay? This 1, just like a 7, would become 7/1. A 1 would become 1/1. Right?
Yeah.
Am I the only one that...
I understand.
A 7 becomes 7/1. A 1 becomes 1/1. Okay, so I just put a line through it. And y'all were like, what? Okay, like totally flipped out. Okay, so now we go 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2, 2. And what's wrong with this problem?
It's improper.
It's improper. So I do 3 divided by 2, and I get 1 1/2. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, what is the reciprocal of the whole number 5?
1/5.